Take a look in your wallet. You'll likely find a variety of different payment cards, some debit, some credit. Debit cards and credit cards are both convenient and secure options. They reduce the need to carry cash or checks and are handy for making purchases, especially when shopping online. You can also add a debit or credit card to your smartphone's mobile wallet to make secure and contactless payments. While paying with a credit card, you're borrowing money to make a purchase. Each month, you receive a statement showing how much you owe. If you do not pay the balance in full by the due date, you will be charged interest. Unlike a credit card, a debit card is linked directly to a checking account, so the money you spend is deducted from your available balance right away. When making a purchase or withdrawing money in an ATM using your debit card, be sure enough funds are available to avoid paying overdraft fees. A good way to protect yourself from fees is to set up a personal line of credit to automatically cover miscalculations and kick in when the available balance isn't enough to cover your purchase. So what are the benefits of having a debit card? First, a debit card gives you a sense of accountability because you need to make sure you do not spend over your existing balance. Another benefit of using a debit card is never having to worry about making minimum payments or paying interest. And most debit cards also come with no annual fee. Compared to other payment methods, debit cards make it easy to track your expenses and can simplify the budgeting process. Since card transactions immediately appear in your account history as pending, you don't have to wait for things like checks clearing or manually track cash transactions. Lastly, one of the most important benefits of debit cards and credit cards is their security. Every Florida Credit Union checking account comes with a Visa debit card equipped with EMV chip technology, as well as Tap to Pay for extra protection. Plus, it's free. Apply in person at a branch where we even offer instant issue cards, or online 24/7 at flcu.org. Florida Credit Union. Member owned, community proud since 1954.